Look, a lot of people, they're straight out of school, aesthetic school, massage schools, yogi, personal trainers, barbers, estheticians, anybody, and they don't know that there's places like this where you can rent out instead of doing like a booth rent. You know how you have to rent at Salon Plaza and you're around other people that's noisy, crazy, the hair is, smelling this way or somebody's body odor is horrible. So, yeah, they have no idea that you can rent out a space the same money that you're spending there. You can rent something nice like this, and they just don't understand. I'm like, no, you can do it. Trust me, you can do it.
Yes, this is nice.
Can I look over here? It looks like it's a gym or has weight. Yep.
No,
Yeah, because I was in the mirror and I was like, how's that? All right, see, yeah. Have a little personal gym. Come and work out. I need to work out. I got COVID weight. I've been eating. I ate Chick-fil-A this morning. I gotta stop. I had Chick-fil-A for dinner and.
Hi, how are you?
Let me stop being. Let me be quiet. Was I being too loud? No. You're fine. You are fine. You're good. I was just showing people. You're good. You're good. So you got tables so you can have a meeting. Yeah, all your stuff. You got TV. See, both of them are going. Now they doing it. I don't know. Trying to stop the black man again. It's an everyday struggle. See, this is a bigger common room. And you can have like your meetings or a class if you want to teach a class. And this actually goes to the outside where you can see the street. So you can see the highway. And what's that truck doing? And it goes right into DC that way. So we can see the rooms and the people. Yeah. Oh, candy. You put your advertisements on the wall. I love that painting or abstract art. The security system. So when you're here by yourself, you turn your lights on, you have a good lock. This is a dead man's lock. Yeah, and it's a steady door, and this is metal. I don't think it's wood. And then up top, you have another lock. So that lock right there, that's like another dead man's lock. Like dead man, I mean like zombie can't even get through this door. No matter how hard they try, 10 days of trying, they still don't get through. And then you have another lock right there. And oh shit, you have a fourth lock. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you have your security alarm. So if that goes off, either way, you're safe. Okay. So again, you have your TVs, your coffee, water, tea, and we'll get into the prices of these types of rooms in just a minute. As I said before, you have a common room to where you can actually have a recording for your podcast. You have access to computer. Oh, the Zen Garden again. Let's make happiness with the Zen Garden. Make happiness. Happiness. We're making happiness. There you go. Put that up. Stop messing around with the rose garden.
Are we actually gonna?
Okay. We're going back down. And this is other people's offices. This is the other side. So you can have your own desk. You can have a privacy curtain. The privacy curtain closes so people can't see you and what you're doing up in there. So you have a main office. If you have workers, they can come and do their own business. And it's nice, serene, and tranquil. Ooh, the waterfall. It's nice. Beautiful. Ooh. So you can keep up with the stocks and all the other stuff. If you're in the Bitcoin or stock market, you're good to go. Some sort of plans or something, blueprints, schematics, all that good stuff. We have, or they have, coloring books and stuff. So if you have kids, you know, feel free to bring them by so they can do some homework. You have the kid iPad, and this is Integrity Investments Group. Yeah, it's very nice. And again, the little whirly bird thingy again. One more time. One more again. It's magical. Disneyland. A world. Okay. Oh, the globe. Look. See, if you get lost, you can see the globe. Look at Africa. Africa bigger than anybody else. I try to tell you, it's a good map. It's accurate. Nothing's bigger than Africa. See, the United States is small. Africa. Exactly. All right, and that was the whole spa, just in a different angle. Oh man, you guys are still chilling. Oh, I'm ready whenever you are. I'm just getting everything.